Hi traders, this is Gomathi Shankar. I welcome you all to a new video. In this video, we are going to discuss the trade plan for the rest of the May month, and let us look at what are the trend opportunities in Bank Nifty, Nifty and few other sectors. So without wasting any time, let us get started. Alright, so this is Bank Nifty weekly chart, and we can clearly see that Bank Nifty has almost reached the all-time high levels as per weekly chart. And moreover, if you try to look at this higher low structures, you will see that the fall which happened in Bank Nifty recently is just like a pullback. Okay, so this is looking like the market is getting ready for some bigger uptrend. Okay, so from here Bank Nifty gave a good rally and then a small pullback and then again a small rally, again a small pullback. Now this can lead to a good trending move. So if the market is trending on the upside, then we can expect a good trending move on the upside, because now the swing high and swing low is very small. It's narrow. The swing high and swing low is possibly very narrow, and this breakout will lead to a trending market, just like a narrow CPR. Okay, so how do we get a narrow CPR? We get a narrow CPR if the open and the close price are almost closer, and if the open and high is also very less, then we will get a narrow CPR. Now looking at this structure, what we understand is the swing high and swing low is very small, so this is going to be like a narrow CPR kind of structure. The pivot would be somewhere around here, so this can lead to a trending move if the candles are giving a breakout on the upside. On the other hand, if the candles are struggling over here, then we will look for a reversal trade up to this 50% level. Just assume this like a CPR. Okay, just assume this like a CPR and assume this as a high and low. Okay, so if the candles are rejecting the resistance level, then we can expect a drop in prices till this CPR level. All right, and if the candles are breaking on the downside, then again we can look for a good fall in Bank Nifty. So whatever is going to happen in Bank Nifty for the upcoming week, this swing high and swing low also plays a very crucial part. And I am expecting this 50% level somewhere around 42,300 to act as a pivot, a narrow CPR pivot kind of structure. Now let me come down to daily chart, and as per daily chart, what I can see is I cannot see a proper higher low structures, I cannot see a proper pullbacks. Alright, so this is looking like a straight rally. Apart from this tiny pullback, this looks like a straight rally. Alright, so for better understanding, I will go to hourly chart to judge the highs and lows. Now as per this hourly chart, I could see that Bank Nifty was going in this manner. No, it's going like this, a small pullback, and again it has gone up. So this is possibly looking like a bull trend. Okay, I am not taking this pullback and I am not taking these small pullbacks. Rather, I am considering as a whole structure. Right, from here Bank Nifty went up. From here Bank Nifty went up, a good pullback, and then a straight rally. Possibly even you can take this as a bull rally or a pullback. You can take this, probably you can take this as a higher low structure, higher high and higher low structure, and then this is a straight rally, and then again a pullback, a minor pullback, and now the candles have gone up, right? So it looks like the market is stuck between these swing lows. Instead of, let's ignore the small swing high and swing low, and let's try to consider this swing high and swing low. All right. So this level is going to be very crucial in Bank Nifty for upcoming week. Okay, so already resistance is there as a default one, and here we can have a support, and we can see the higher low structures in Bank Nifty, and the resistance looks to be remaining a same level. So we are getting higher low structure. So based on these levels breakout, we can plan a trade. So as of now, Bank Nifty is clearly stuck between this range. So even if the Bank Nifty breaks any of this higher low structure, let's say Bank Nifty is breaking this level, still it is going to be tough because we are trading inside a zone. Still it is going to be difficult for you to trade because the market is trading inside a range only. All right. And it's not so easy to trade inside a range. All right. So Bank Nifty is like it is in a deciding zone. It's like in a zone which has to decide the direction. So based on these levels, we can plan our trade, and you can even keep an eye on hourly chart. Based on these higher low structures breakout, you can decide a trade. All right. So until this level is broken, it's not going to be good for option buyers to trade. Okay. So option buyers has to be cautious. You can try some non-directional and spread strategies. So now let us look at the trend in Nifty. Now let me go to weekly chart, and I can see that Nifty is actively rallying towards all-time high. Okay, still it is having some space left to reach the all-time high. So Nifty is having some good pullback. Okay, so this is a good pullback, a rally. Maybe whether Nifty is waiting for a pullback or not, we have to wait and see. If there is a pullback, then a small retracement and again a rally can take the Nifty to all-time high levels. All right, so Nifty looks healthy. Maybe this recent swing high could be the possible resistance for the upcoming days. And as per hourly chart, this particular range might be broken. Okay, it should be broken for a better breakout, and based on this level breakout, we can decide the direction. So Bank Nifty is inside a range. Though Nifty is inside a range in hourly chart, still it looks to be bullish as per daily charts. Okay, so even if there, based on this breakout, we need the candles to trade above daily CPR. Based on this breakout, if the breakout is happening on the downside, then I want the candles below daily CPR. All right, so based on this breakout, I need the location of candles above or below CPR to take a trade. Now let me check Nifty Finance, FinNifty. So FinNifty is at almost closer to all-time high level, and it is at an important swing high. Okay, so this is like a resistance zone. This is like a resistance zone. Whether FinNifty can break this or whether FinNifty is going to reverse, we have to wait and see. Now another important point over here is this is a doji candle. This is a doji shooting star candle, and then we are getting a bull candle. So don't trust the bulls immediately, okay, because we got a shooting star. Okay, and now this week we are having a bull candle. So don't trust this bull immediately. Wait for this resistance zone, wait for this all-time high levels to be broken, and then you can trust the bulls. Okay, if in case if this shooting star is true and if FinNifty is facing resistance at these levels, then FinNifty can drop up to this level, or at least towards the 50% level. Okay, at least till 50% level, FinNifty can drop. So be cautious with this shooting star structure in FinNifty. Wait for the all-time high levels breakout. And let us look at Nifty IT. So Nifty IT gave a beautiful bounce from this support level, and now as per daily chart, we can see some doji candles. Sorry, as per weekly chart, we can see some doji candles. This is not good for IT sector. A weekly doji, and that too a couple of doji candles. Okay, so this is not good for this particular sector. We want this doji high to be broken to trust the bulls in a more rigid manner. And as of now in daily chart we can see lower high structures only. So that is also not good. Okay, so we are having lower high structures, so this is also not good. So I want Nifty IT to break this level to trust the bulls confidently for coming days. All right, so every sector is almost closer to some resistance level. Banknifty, Nifty, FinNifty, and Nifty IT is also almost closer to some resistance level. So this is going to be a deciding factor for Nifty IT. And let us look at Nifty Auto. Nifty Auto has given a very strong rally. Okay, so this swing high is broken right from the bounce from this level. Okay, so now you can look at here. This is a hammer candle, and there was a strong bull rally up to this swing high. Now I will not tell that because of this hammer Nifty Auto went up, but I will tell that this hammer candle is giving you some confirmation, some warning. Stop selling this particular stock or this particular sector. So it's giving you a warning, right? So whenever you see a hammer or hanging man or any shooting star in weekly charts, wait for a proper confirmation and then you go for a trade. All right, so now Nifty Auto has broken the all-time high levels, and so all-time high levels is broken. So you have to play the trend. Okay, if Nifty Auto goes higher and higher, you can keep going for long position, and maybe small pullbacks can come, and again Nifty Auto can give a good rally. And if you are looking for any short positions in Nifty Auto, you wait for the stocks to come below daily CPR. Okay, below daily CPR and even below previous day low. If Nifty Auto is coming below previous day low, then you can go for a short position because profit booking may happen. Okay, but above previous day low, you can avoid taking shorts and you can continue to look for long positions. All right. So like this, you can check for the other sectors and you can post the trend in the comment section. Even if you are having any other queries, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you have not yet joined my Telegram channel to get the live market trade plan, you can join now. I hope this trade plan video is useful for you. If you like this video, you can share it to your friends. See you all in the next video. Until then, thank you. Bye.